And so we have their sign right here, the church's sign. You can see that this thing is funky. You absolutely cannot outgive God. A lot of people ask me all the time of, Jason, how can I use Facebook marketing? How can I use LinkedIn? How can I do different things? And this is one thing that we can do. It's called acts of kindness. And basically we can come here, clean their sign. This could be for a church, this could be for subdivision, anything. And you don't need a lot to do it. I mean, you could do it with a pump up, 2 pump up sprayers, spray it around with the pump up sprayer, spray it again with the soft wash, and you could be done with it. And so it could be real simple of what to do. And when we're gonna do it, we're gonna go Facebook Live of, hey guys, we are doing an act of kindness today. We see this nasty, dirty sign. You clean it up, you put it into the Facebook groups, you put it into that subdivision that you did it, you put it into the church group that you did it, you post this thing, you tag that church, you tag that business and say, hey, this is an act of kindness that I'm doing for you because I want to have an act of kindness for you. This is definitely something you can do. It doesn't take much. DJ's getting ready here and to do a sign at Big Bone Baptist, Big Bone, Kentucky. Acts of kindness goes a long way. There's 200 people, 300 people go to this church out here in the middle of nowhere. You might get 2-3 jobs out of it. You might get a $10,000 job out of it. You might get a $10,000 job cleaning the church. You don't know, you know, and if you're not busy, this is something you can do. You can go ahead and start it whenever you're ready. That's what you can do to help get business by doing acts of kindness. Rob Anderson from Clean Power Wash does lots and lots of acts of kindness, and it helps him get business. He gets a ton of business from Facebook by doing acts of kindness, of cleaning signs, cleaning things that need cleaned, and that's how you can do it. Do you like cleaning?
I love it.
Love it. Yay. Love. So that took a whopping 10-15 minutes to do something that could get us thousands of dollars worth of jobs. An act of kindness is definitely a way that you can get business, to grow it and be successful. You know, a lot of times people are like, what can I do? Can I do door knocking? Can I do? Yeah, you can do that stuff, but you could do this right here, do an act of kindness, go Facebook Live in the group of whatever community they're in, whatever church this is, any of that kind of stuff. And by that, you could grow your business and be successful by doing acts of kindness. Now, I'm not saying that's the only thing. Rob Anderson has grown his business pretty good by acts of kindness and posting on Facebook all the time. People ask me, how do I grow? That's how you grow. Take action, and things will happen when you take action. Go check out my next video where we clean the steeple and I show you how to do that.